womp, womp, womp.
1050 hertz, attention, Dr. Junior.
The National Weather Service in downtown Bikini Bottom has issued a Dr. Junior warning for the following areas.
Reverend County and Junior, Honorable County and Junior, Esquire County and Junior.
Effective until 3:40 p.m. August 12, 2030, Psi.
At 3:22 p.m. National, with a Doppler radar indicated a severe Esquire capable of producing a Dr. Junior over Madge County, moving, say, at 35 Mississippi.
Flying may be dangerous to those caught without Mr. Mobile Homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely.
Take cover now, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a Mr.
What the barnacles is going on here? I don't know, but it sounds serious. Well, I ain't leaving me precious Krusty Krab. That's where all me money is. But what about Squilliam? He lives down on too. Who cares about that fancy pants squid? He can take care of himself. But what if he needs help? Listen here, boy. We're not risking our lives for some stuck-up snob like Squilliam. Now let's get back to work before we lose any customers. But what if we get hit by this doctor in a square thingy? Don't worry, Patrick. We'll just hide under the cash register and use it as a shield. Now stop asking questions and start flipping patties. Wham, wham, wham.